Welcome to this learning pathway, Circular Economy. In this course, you will learn about the concept of circular economy, where products or materials never become waste and the nature is continuously regenerated. The circular economy is based on three principles: A. Eliminating waste and pollution, B. Circulating products and materials at their highest value, keeping them in the economy as long as possible, C. Regenerating nature. Good day, everyone. Today, we will delve into the crucial topic of decarbonization and sustainability strategies. As we face the growing challenges of climate change, understanding the process of decarbonization and its significance is pivotal. In this lecture, we will explore the key concepts, why decarbonization matters, strategies for decarbonization, and the critical aspects of setting and tracking decarbonization targets. Let's begin. What is decarbonization? Decarbonization is the process of significantly reducing or eliminating carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions from the atmosphere. It's a fundamental response to the growing climate crisis. The global objective is to keep the temperature increase below 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. To achieve this, countries are setting ambitious goals to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. Net zero occurs when the emissions into the atmosphere are balanced by an equivalent amount removed from it. This necessitates rapid and extensive decarbonization efforts. Decarbonization focuses on reducing various greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and others, which contribute to global warming. Why does decarbonization matter? The more greenhouse gas emissions we release into the atmosphere, the more the planet warms. This warming leads to more severe impacts of climate change. In 2015, the Paris Agreement set the goal of limiting the Earth's warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, with efforts to keep it under 1.5 degrees Celsius. This stricter target significantly reduces climate change risks. However, a 2022 report from the United Nations Environment Programme highlighted the urgency to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions by 45% in the next 8 years to remain on track for the 1.5 degrees Celsius goal. Decarbonization is the key to altering the trajectory of climate change that results from human activities. Strategies for decarbonization. Organizations implement various strategies to decarbonize their operations. Here are some common approaches. 1. Improve operational efficiency. Enhancing energy efficiency is a vital step. By eliminating energy waste and boosting efficiency, organizations reduce energy system emissions. Software tools for performance monitoring and benchmarking are crucial for identifying areas where energy consumption can be reduced. 2. Electrification. Replacing technologies using fossil fuels with electric alternatives is crucial. This includes electrifying processes like heating, cooling, transportation, and manufacturing. 3. Switch to low-carbon energy sources. Transitioning to low-carbon fuels or renewable energy sources is a significant move. This involves installing renewable power generation technologies like solar and wind, and procuring renewable power from providers. 4. Address upstream and downstream emissions. Collaboration with suppliers up and down the supply chain is essential. Joint efforts to reduce emissions are a part of deep decarbonization. 5. Deal with residual emissions. Eliminating all greenhouse gas emissions from human activities is highly challenging. To reach net zero emissions, we need to remove residual emissions through natural processes or technologies like carbon capture and storage, CCS, and direct air capture, DAC. Setting and tracking decarbonization targets. Creating a clear path for decarbonization involves several key processes. 1. Understand impact and establish baselines. Organizations must understand the impact of their operations and set baselines against which progress will be measured. Data plays a pivotal role in this step. Decisions about data collection, storage, structure, and management are vital. 2. Create targets and commit publicly. Establish clear targets in line with global goals, such as achieving 100% renewable energy sourcing and net zero greenhouse gas emissions. Make these commitments public and communicate how you intend to measure progress. 3. Execute actions. Execution involves translating high-level targets into actionable steps at various levels within the organization. This includes breaking down targets by asset type, emission source, and location. Accurate data is essential for measuring progress effectively. 4. Track and report on performance. Reporting on environmental performance is a competitive differentiator for many organizations. Robust data is necessary for reporting greenhouse gas emissions reductions, energy and water efficiency, and compliance with regulatory requirements and stakeholder expectations. In conclusion, decarbonization is not only an environmental necessity but also a strategic imperative. To combat climate change, organizations must adopt a holistic approach, incorporating efficiency improvements, electrification, low-carbon energy sources, and collaboration with suppliers. Accurate data management is key to setting and tracking decarbonization targets. The road to sustainability is paved with data-driven decisions and collaborative efforts. Thank you for your attention.